My name is Vishnu Gopal T V. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Thodupuzha, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Arms. Today's topic for this video is medical termination of pregnancy. The purpose of this video is to analyze about the medical termination of pregnancy. So India, we all know, has legalized this abortions. The year in which the abortions were legalized was 1971. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, that is MTP Act, was passed in, we all know, that is in 1971. So the act was passed because during the time when safe abortions were possibly conducted in this medical field. Later, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021 came, which amended this MTP Act of 1971. We know that the new bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on 2nd March 2020 and it was passed on 17th March 2020. After that, the Rajya Sabha passed the bill on 16th March 2021. So it awaits, that is the presently, and it was passed or it got the assent of the president, and the bill is here now passed, and therefore there is a need to analyze about the new Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021. So the large number of writs were filed in Supreme Court and in various courts around the country by women activists to seek permission in aborting a child after 20 weeks of pregnancy for rape victims of fetal abnormalities. But specialists in the field of gynecology say that abortion, which has been done after 20 weeks of pregnancy, is not legal and it cannot be allowed to be done under MTP Act 1971. So, such a complication will be avoided by the passing of a new bill, that is MTP Amendment Bill 2020. That is a new act. So that means this issue will be solved by the new bill, and the new bill of 2020 was made after repeated and continuous consultation with the non-profit organizations as well as the associations of gynecologists and the Indian Medical Association. The amendment has given respect to women who are rape survivors, differently abled minors, victims of incest, etc. So, Bombay High Court, a petition was filed by Nikita Mehta, in which it was being held that the termination of pregnancy or abortion cannot be done for a 24-week-old fetus. So the Supreme Court have clearly specified that it can be affirmed. The case pointed out the need of rechecking the laws regarding the abortions in India. So the new bill regulates the pregnancy by aiming at the increasing the time limit for an abortion. Before the coming of this amendment, that is a new amendment, abortion undertaken within 12 weeks of conception required the opinion of a doctor, and when done between 12 to 20 weeks required opinions of two doctors. The MTP Act 1971 does not have any provision for abortion after a period of 20 weeks. So the bill, this new one, that is new act, this bill gives relief by permitting termination of pregnancy after 24 weeks after the approval of the medical board on diagnosis of these fetal abnormalities. So, having said that, in case of rape exceeding 24 weeks of pregnancy, only recourse left was to approach the courts through a writ petition. The bill mentions, this a new act, in that it is mentioned that the woman and her partner, instead of a married woman and her husband showing open-mindedness to the society, the central government acknowledges the failure of contraception as well. So it further gives relief to women undergoing stress of getting permission from various courts due to pressing time factor in pregnancy. So another important thing about our country is that India is the first country to give paid leave for mothers for the pregnancy due to miscarriage or stillbirth, followed by New Zealand in 2021. You can, so that's all about this topic. So you can like, subscribe, and comment on my topic on this video. So and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's click. Please give me a feedback of this video, and if you have any questions relating to this topic, you may please comment that in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible. This video does not solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. By saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.